babes, and welcome back. I'm sorry that I'm still not getting this we're a bit seasick here. I'm so sorry about that. The stand that I have my camera on is not that stable, so everything is just a bit crooked, and I'm sorry if you're getting seasick or motion sickness. I feel you. Looking in the viewfinder, it looks like I'm gonna fall out of frame. I'm gonna try and fix this, but I need to order a new thingy-majingy for my camera, and I can't really do that right now, so we're gonna have to live with a crooked world. It's all a bit dully. It's all a bit dully at the moment. We are gonna unpack this month's Glossy Box. Last month was the first month that I unboxed some Glossy Boxes, and I did get some nice response on that, and thank you very much for that. This is the Swedish Glossy Box. The last box I got in PR, I got it in a goodie bag when I went to an event, and actually I talked to Glossy Box after that, Swedish Glossy Box, and they were like, how about we send you boxes for 3 months and we can see if you, my viewers, like it, if I like it, and if they like it, and we're just gonna do a bit of an evaluation period. So let me know how you feel about this. So this is not a sponsored video. They sent me 3 boxes to try. If I don't want to share the boxes with you, I don't have to, but I like showing you things that I get to help you make up your mind yourself. This is the Swedish Glossy Box. Like I said, I think I said that. Did I say that? I think I said that. Glossy Box is a Swedish company if you didn't know that, but they are available in other countries as well, such as US. But the things in your Glossy Box probably will be different from the ones in my Glossy Box, but at least I can show you, like, we can unpack something. We can find some new fun things, because I really did like the things that I got in my Glossy Box last month, so let's see if I like the things that are in this one. I'm gonna open this without showing you too much of my address, because let's just try, shall we? Okay. Ooh! So there is a box inside. Ooh! This is a limited edition box. I thought that this was this month's box. I even told you in the community tab that this was gonna be this month's box, but it is not. This is a limited edition box. I didn't know that. So they sent me a limited edition box. That is fun. They actually gave me a discount code, and I will leave it down below. It is not affiliated. It's just a discount code for you. If you are a Swedish viewer and you want to try Glossy Box, it will give you 20% off, but unfortunately it will not work on limited edition boxes such as this one. This is the Modelco, and I'm trying to in the viewfinder check so you can see it. The Modelco and Karl Lagerfeld limited edition box. I'm so happy they sent me this. This is so much fun. So this is Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco limited edition box. I have no idea what's in this. I didn't even know I was gonna receive this. I thought I was gonna open one thing and now it's something else. Okay, I got a card. It says, I'm gonna read it in Swedish first and then I'm gonna translate to English. Hej fina du, vi på Glossy Box är stolta över att presentera vårt senaste samarbete tillsammans med Karl Lagerfeld och Modelco. Med denna box maxad med makeup framtagen av hypade australiensiska sminkmärket Modelco och designen Karl Lagerfeld får du testa produkter från den unika världslanseringen före alla andra. Hoppas du gillar detta lyxiga kit. Wow, this seems like it's a box. We at Glossy Box are very proud to be able to give you this limited edition box. It is with the collaboration between Karl Lagerfeld and the Australian makeup brand Modelco, and I get to try some products from the unique world launch before everybody else, although I think this is available now, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is. And this is supposed to be makeup. So this is a box of makeup. Okay, let's open this up and see what we get. Oh, I have no idea. I didn't even know I was gonna open this. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see both of us. Even the box has Karl Lagerfeld. Ooh, and look at this. It's like a bow and everything. Karl Lagerfeld, I'm gonna read it in English, one of the world's most well-renowned designers, has made a collab with the iconic Australian beauty brand Modelco. What is this? What's going on? In one of this year's most exciting beauty collaborations. It is the vision and aesthetics from Karl together with the Modelco innovative quality products that has been, and the result is this exclusive and limited makeup collection. Why is this so hard? Okay. So this is a limited edition one. Let me untie the bow. And the wrapper. Ooh, is this? Ooh, it says the products inside and I don't want to know. Okay, so it looks like this and it has a little sticker. So opening the sticker and now we can see what's in it. Oh, there are several items in here. This is beautiful. It smells like new newspaper. It's because of the paper wrappings, I'm guessing. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here. That feels like a lot. Okay, so 6 items. Oh, I'm gonna get those pink ones everywhere. One second. Okay, so these are the 6 items. Let me just put these. So the first one I got was a brush. Let's just look at that one first. This is the Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco. It doesn't say anything, it's just a brush. I'm guessing that this would be a nice bronzer brush. I actually think that this is kind of soft, but it's not too soft to the point that where you're worried if it's gonna pick up product or not. I think that this would be a nice bronzer brush. So this is nice. I'm gonna try this with bronzer and we'll see. This is the Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco long-lasting liquid liner. Oh, it's a liquid liner. That is nice. I am always in the market for trying a new liquid liner. Let me see how I feel about this one. Ooh, the packaging is so sleek. It's like matte black with just a white text and then it's just a shiny black end. The contrast is beautiful with the matte white, the matte black, and then the shiny black. Huh. This one, let me see if I can show you this one. Do you see the tip of this one? I don't really know how I feel about this. I mean, I guess that that is a very weird shape. I'm either gonna love it or I'm gonna hate it. I'm gonna have to try it and see if I... It's very interesting though. I do love to see some like innovative things. This one seems like it's a deluxe sample. Let me open it and see. I like that it's all makeup. I mean, I love like body care and skincare and all of that, but at the end of the day, I mean, I love makeup. I do. Why can't I open this? Send help. How long do you have? Okay, so this is a little lipstick. Actually, that is not that little product. Let me tell you, that is like the KKW like contour sticks. Let's be honest. This is in a secret color. It doesn't say a name, so I don't know if it has a name. Let me see what the card says. Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco Lip Couture Lipstick Red. Deluxe Mini. It's a matte red lipstick with a high pigment and long lasting. Nourishing and creamy formula with full coverage and matte finish. It is a nice color. It's like a classic red, but just slightly more bricky. So it's not like a fire truck red, it's just slightly more muted and darker. Don't hate it. Let's look at the other like deluxe sample as well, because this seems like it's like a lip gloss. That would be my guess. I'm gonna struggle with the packaging again. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells like a bit minty. I don't mind that. It's a bit minty. I love this color. That color is beautiful. So this is the Karl Lagerfeld and Modelco Lip Gloss Rama 12 Deluxe Mini. High pigmented lip gloss with a creamy color and silk-like feel. Let's see if we can swatch this. Ooh, that is pigmented. That is the same, like, that reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills formula, like super opaque and creamy but still glossy. I'm not sad. That is beautiful. That's gonna be beautiful on the lips. Let's see, let's look at this one. This is the Karl Lagerfeld Modelco lip liner. Oh, it's in red. Oh, to go with the lipstick. You know, that is smart because I am fearless with makeup, but not even I dare to go in with a red lipstick without a lip liner. Like, that's just asking for trouble. Oh, and this is a full size. And it seems to have the same color as the lipstick. This seems nice. Ooh, that is creamy. Do you see that? That is very creamy. Let us see if it's the same color as the lipstick. Actually, the lipstick seems lighter now when I swatch it than when I like... It doesn't look like the same in the tube as it does in this, like, when you swatch it. I wish it had this color because this is a more... I'm not gonna say sheer, but it is like a lighter red. But I think it's gonna be beautiful with that lip liner under, but I like the color of the lip liner more than the lipstick, but I'm guessing that they're meant to go together, so maybe that's really pretty. So the camera died and I don't really know where we left off, but I wanted to say that I think that the last product, which is the Karl Lagerfeld Modelco Baked Blush in Rose Pink or something like that, I think that this is the product I got in my last Glossy Box. And if it is, I'm gonna save this and give it away in a bag. Maybe I will anyways, because it seems to be there are different colors. This is the one that I got. It's, you know, the color then. It's just like a lighter one, and this is the one that I got now. But I think I'm gonna give this away as either way because I don't need two. So this is the one I got in my other, like the Glossy Box. It is basically like a glowy blush or a highlighter depending on your skin tone. And this one is more like a glowy blush then because it is definitely more pink. But I'm not even gonna open this. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna give it away because I don't need two of these. But all in all, I think this is a nice box. I don't remember the exact price, but I do know that these limited edition boxes are a bit more pricey than the normal boxes, but I think that this is a nice idea, like limited edition boxes, getting to try out a new range if you are interested in the range. If you are interested in this collaboration, this box is perfect for you. You also get that really beautiful black box, which I actually think is pretty cool. I'm gonna save that. So yeah, thank you so much Glossy Box for sending this to me. This was really interesting to unpack and I feel very lucky to have received this, and I'm so excited to try them. And do let me know if you want to hear some mini reviews of these things later on as well, because I think that this is an interesting collab. I think that was everything for today. There are more info in the description box if you're interested, and I will unpack the June box as well. The May box, the June box, the May box, I don't really know which one, but it's not here yet, so we're gonna have to wait a bit. But yeah, thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Also, if you are here to the end, I just want to let you know that today is Monday and I am filming and editing this on the same day. So if you're watching this on Monday, just know that this has just been recorded. It is fresh out of the camera. I think this is the only, like, one of the few times that I actually film, edit, and upload on the same day. It's rare here on my channel. I just wanted to say that.